Welcome to Japan. We will start our trip in beautiful Hakone. We spent a day taking the Hakone Golden Route. Here we will work our way over to the cable cars.
The cable cars, known as the Hakone Ropeway, connect Tozan Station near our hotel to Lake Ashi.
I almost forgot I was afraid of heights.
The sky turned overcast as we dipped into the valley floor. Unfortunately, we will have to try to see Mount Fuji on a different day.
We had fun taking the pirate ships around the different ports to look at the sights and go shopping. The food in Japan was amazing, always beautifully presented, fresh, and affordable. Public transportation was easily accessible, allowing us to go from city to city. Now we're going to enjoy our time shopping and eating in Hakone.
We purchased a 2-day Hakone free pass for 5,000 yen per person, or about $32 per person, which gave us unlimited use of all modes of transportation in this video and more.
All aboard the bullet train to Kyoto. The bullet train goes up to 200 miles per hour. Riding the train, we were able to see Mount Fuji, which is only visible approximately 80 days out of the year. We got lucky with this breathtaking view. Welcome to Kyoto. Here we explored the breathtaking bamboo forest, gardens, and beautiful shrines.
The Ōkōchi Sansō Garden was the home of a Japanese period film star Ōkōchi around early 1900s. After his passing in 1962, his estate opened the grounds up for visitors.
The walk to the monkey park was quite steep and very hot, but it was worth it. The monkeys were adorable and enjoyed taking the bananas from your hand and grabbed them so gently.
Visitors are free to roam the grounds of the monkey park except when feeding the monkeys. In this case, we go into the cage.
He's just like parked here. I see your bag. Hi. Aww. You are so nicely.
There are plenty of unique experiences in Japan. This is just one.
Now we're going to finish our day with some shopping and making custom perfume and cologne.
We took a day trip from Kyoto to Osaka. Primarily, we wanted to visit the Osaka castle.
The Osaka Castle was completed in 1586 and serves for the highest point for stunning views. It's time for lunch, and what's more fun than making your own ramen at the ramen factory? It's actually a lot of work. We toured this temple. Unfortunately, no photography was allowed inside due to the sacred nature of the temple, but the grounds were absolutely breathtaking.
No trip to Japan is complete without a visit to an animal cafe.
Is it okay if we cross it? Doesn't go read the sign.